Ever feel like your energy is stuck in ancient pyramid mode? Meet Pharaoh's Nectar. This isn't just a tonic, it's a life force upgrade in a bottle. Packed with natural ingredients, it's like Mother Nature's VIP backstage pass. Mental clarity? Check. Vibrational living? Double check. Energy balance? Triple check. Zero compromises in formulation because your body deserves first-class treatment, not coach. Think of it as the Wi-Fi booster for your mind, body, and soul. Feeling foggy? Pharaoh's Nectar clears it faster than a desert sandstorm. Want energy without the crash? This isn't coffee, it's a cosmic upgrade. Every drop is independently tested, so pure, even Cleopatra would approve. Why settle for ordinary when you can live on a higher frequency? Pharaoh's Nectar, for those who want to rule their day like royalty. Your journey to holistic wellness starts here. Grab your bottle and ascend.